was doing downstairs.
Oh. Okay,
You're good.
there we go.
Okay, yours is good.
Okay.
Just keep it on.
Yep. Hello? Yeah. Out. And then just need a move. I get shut down or something. I think I just heard what they just.
Let's take a lot of other, just to hear from.
Yeah. It keeps saying device disconnected, device connected, device.
I'm saying, okay, try this. You just, see what's up here. It should naturally come up. Okay. Disconnected.
Keeps going back and forth. Disconnected, connected, disconnected, connected.
Yeah, but there's a little white box right here. Oh, man.
Mhm.
That's how. No, go ahead and put it back in here. Yes.
Does this mean nobody's in there?
Disconnected.
Disconnected.
That's okay, you read it off. See here. You just keep the white one. No, okay, just see if they're right.
Device disconnected.
That should be disconnected, it should stay disconnected. And hopefully,
Device connected. In this one.
like, there can't be. See, connected or pairing?
Disconnected.
Instructions for this thing does not appear to anything. Connecting to something which is really strange. Yeah.
For like 2 seconds.
So I'm connecting this one, isn't it? No.
Hello. Oh, that's Jeremiah. Hi, Jeremiah.
Yeah.
Hi, Jeremiah. Can you hear me? Can you speak up a little bit? Can you hear me? Good morning. How are you doing? What did you say? Can you hear me or no? Can you hear me? I don't think. Oh, yes, you can hear me. Okay. So how have you been? Good? You have all your work papers ready to go? Not really. That's okay. This is really, really strange, isn't it? Well, we're going to start with Bible class, so you don't really need to find any papers yet. But we're waiting to see if other classmates come on. We're waiting for Vincent and the first graders. So we're going to wait and see. Okay, so here comes Jeremiah K. Good morning. Yep. Hi, Jeremiah. Good morning. Yes, can you hear me?
We had trouble like in it because we went on the same place under March 30th,
Mm-hmm.
but it seems like you logged in under March 31st.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Anyway, you can keep going on that one.
Oh.
I think that's why maybe some kids are not logged in. Because I was trying different ways, and then I went under March 31st,
Oh.
and that's how I got you in.
Uh-oh.
Well, we could all end it and go on the 30th. Are you guys okay doing that?
We're fine, and maybe I'll just
Oh, okay.
So you can leave this message and we'll go on their 30th.
Who's parents there?
Jeremiah, Jeremiah B., who is with you at home? Who's there to help you in case you have trouble with the computer? Your sister? Is she there right now? Oh, hi. I don't know if you want to.
Is that Andrea? Hey, Andrea, would you be able, we're going to log out. Can you make sure that he's on the 30th? So the class for 9 a.m. on the 30th. We're going to log out and re-enter, okay? So it's a different one, okay? Okay. Oh, yeah, this is the one for the 31st. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, so this is person Friday 30, right? Yeah. What are you doing? It's hard with all
Yeah,
those numbers
right.
to find the right one.
Okay.
Good. Okay, I'll be back.
Okay, thank you. Okay, here we are. Can you hear me now? Oh, hold on. Hold on. Okay. Hi. We're back. Okay, so we're going to wait for, I guess, a couple of other kids to join in. So, are you ready, Jeremiah? Oh, here comes Anna. And, ooh, Adriana, she's on the wrong thing. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Good morning, Zoe. How are you doing? Good. Okay, Anna, I think is coming in. unmute.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you. Hello. Hello.
Hello, hello. So, Zoe and Jeremiah, you can see each other? And now Anna. Hi, Anna. How are you doing? We did it. And there's Jeremiah again. Great. Okay, hi, Jeremiah. You're back. Here's Azalea. Good morning, Azalea. I'm pretty sure that Vincent will be coming in. Okay, is she in here? Can Azalea hear me?
Yeah, no, no. What?
Can you hear me, Anna?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here comes Vincent. I don't know what's going on with Azalea. Hi, Vincent. Good morning, Vincent. Welcome to class.
Morning.
Good morning. Okay, yeah. It's Albert. No, Albert. That's not. Okay, so I guess we'll try to get started. I was going to talk about our new verse. Well, actually, I know the verse that is due on Wednesday, which is 1 Peter 4:8. We have not been able to get started with together. Can everybody hear me okay?
Yeah.
Everybody can hear me? Okay.
Yeah.
Zoe, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, I don't know, maybe you've gotten started with it at home.
Yeah, participate. Yeah. And it says
Okay, so can you say that verse with me? 1 Peter
and then
4:8.
it says
I don't know if you have your paper.
whenever you put glass waste, it will also say low.
Okay. Okay, so remember, it's 1 Peter 4:8. Repeat after me. 1 Peter 4:8. And above all things, have fervent charity among yourselves.
Among yourselves.
For charity shall cover
For charity shall cover
a multitude of sins.
a multitude.
Okay, does anybody know what the word charity means?
No.
Charity is a word that means the same as love. Okay? When you have charity towards one another, you have love for that person. You care about them. Do you know what the word fervent means? It kind of is talking about a strong feeling, like intense charity, like a fierce love. And when you have that kind of love among yourselves, with your friends and your family and other people, it's going to make it a little easier for you to treat that person with love and respect. And you won't want to do things that hurt them or things that would be unkind or unloving. Does that make any sense? Yeah? Okay, let's try to say that verse again. 1 Peter 4:8. And above all things, have fervent charity among yourselves, for charity shall cover a multitude of sins. Okay, so what I want you to do with that verse is to say it and write it. You know how normally during seat work you would do that? So you're gonna You're going to work on that by saying it and writing it until you can get it memorized. Now, I know our time together for doing that is a little bit short. Jeremiah, okay? Okay, now remember I sent home your seat work packet? It would be in your seat work packet. Anna?
Sometimes the person is not here.
It should be in that seat work packet, that your folder, your blue folder from school.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's in there. Okay, Anna?
When you give us and the board, you read it. Like, first one time, I was reading it and I didn't know it. And then I read it and then I knew it.
You memorized it? Very good, Anna. Good job. Okay. So it looks like Azalea is still. You had it, Jeremiah? All right, good job. All right. So we're going to go on now and talk about what we are starting into about Joshua. The Bible story about Joshua. So Joshua, do you remember who Joshua was?
Yes.
Who is he, JK? Who is Joshua? He was the one that took over for. That's right. What happened to Moses?
He died.
That's right. And so Joshua was chosen to be the new leader to take the Israelites into where? Where were they going? To the land of Vincent? Yeah, the land of promise. Right, the land of Canaan. Okay, so God was speaking to Joshua and telling him that he didn't need to be afraid because he was going to be with him, just like everybody. Okay. Can everybody hear me? Because I hear a lot of noise.
I hear you.
Okay, because it's.
Hear you.
Okay, so God was speaking to Joshua, telling him that he could be strong and courageous because God was going to be with him. The same words that God spoke to Moses, that you don't need to fear, you don't need to be afraid, I will tell you what to do, I will lead you where to go. He was saying those same words to Joshua, so he didn't have to be afraid. And all the people, all the Israelites knew for sure that he was the chosen one by God to be their new leader. Remember all the complaining and the murmuring and how some of the Israelites are saying, well, why aren't we good enough? Why couldn't we be a leader? Aren't we just as good as Moses and Aaron? Well, now the people know for sure that Joshua is the one to take charge in leading them into the promised land. So they were to have the faith and trust in God, to follow him, and to follow their new leader, Joshua. Okay, does everybody understand? Or does anybody have any questions?
No.
No? Okay, so we're not quite done with this meeting quite yet, but I just want to remind you that at 9:30 is the first grade phonics lesson. And then during that time, second grade, you will just kind of get started on your seat work pages, or not your seat work pages, but your, because we'll kind of go through those workbook pages together, but you can get started on writing your spelling list, writing your math facts, writing your verse, saying your verse. JK? Wait, hold on. Hi, Azalea. Azalea, hi. You're here. Yay. We were waiting. Okay, so actually, we're almost done with this first meeting for Bible, and we're going to, at 9:30, start the first grade phonics lesson. Okay, so did somebody had a question over here, Jeremiah K. Yes, yes. You can go and get everything that you need to do seat work. Okay?
There's all my stuff right here.
Very good. And Zoe, you have all your things right there ready to go? No? Okay, so when I'm finished here, you guys have a couple of minutes to get the books that you need for our next lesson. We're going to do first grade phonics.
And this
Anna?
Jeremiah, where Jeremiah is,
Yeah.
that's where Jeremiah and me would put.
Oh, very good.
Right there.
Okay, good. Anna,
So we'll
did you
go.
have a question? Did Anna have a question?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, Anna.
Like at 9:30, do you need to
You need to come back into the next. Yeah.
after sheet work? Do you need to get like paper to do measures?
Mm-hmm.
Additional instruction if you want.
Yes. Yeah. You're gonna work on seat work like you normally do when I'm working
Yeah.
with the other class. Okay. Yep. That's right, Vincent. Okay. All right. I'm gonna log out of this meeting, and then I'll see the first graders in a couple minutes, and then that would mean Azalea and Vincent, you're gonna start on your spelling list, your math facts, your measures, and things like that. Okay. Does that make sense, Azalea? Okay. All right, I'll see the first graders back in a couple minutes.